September we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like.
So hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Misty, and sa mga baguhan dyan, thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng videos. So what we're going to do today is unpacking of, can I say, makeup haul. Actually, I've ordered this online and nandito na siya, and I am so excited to open this. Baka kasi nandito na yung holy grail ko. I bought this for walang price. Nakalagay. I think this is worth 3,000 something. I paid for this already yesterday, so I am so excited to open this. Without further ado, let's open. A little bit so you can see how I open this. Excited ako masyado kasi wala na akong ibang scissors. Nice packaging. Secure masyado. Kailangan ko ng scissors. Hindi kaya ng power ko. Wait lang. So yes, andito na yung scissors ko. And let's open. Super secure siya. So nakausap ko naman yung seller before niya i-ship yung ano. Sabi ko kung pwede pag-secure, lalo sa mga powder, para ayan, i-secure niya nga. Para hindi naduduro, kasi minsan pag order ka online ng powder, during shipping, di nakalagaan masyado ng delivery boy. Naduduro yung, wow, ang ganda, look. So, this is my first product. Yan, ang ganda diba? So, bongga. This is my Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. Lightweight, mattifying, lasting up to 9 hours. 14 grams. So, excited na ako. So, the second one. Yes. Naka-bubble wrap naman siya. Wow! Ayan! I'm so excited. Elf Poreless Face Primer. Clear. 14 ml. Ang ganda niya, besh. Tapos, nandito rin yung isang primer. So, Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Mattifiant Makeup Primer. Makeup Primer. Yes. Excited na akong gumawa ng video sa dalawang to. So, pinag-iisipan kong gumawa ng versus dito. Meron din akong siguro 3 versus. Isa dito, tapos dito, tapos dito. Pwede ba yun? At least na-compare natin. Ipapag versus ko to, tapos yung isa kong benefit na poreless primer, diba? Excited na din ako, so abangan nyo. Yes. So the next product, excited na me. So naka-bubble wrap siya, super secure naman. Kudos to you, shipper. May katagalan. Ayaw niyong pabuksan. Wala akong masabi. This is my very first Elf Acne Fighting Foundation with salicylic acid acne treatment in the shade of beige. Sabi ko nga, di ba, yung pinakauna kong video, I've been ordering makeup products na healthy, cruelty-free, tapos yung good for the skin. So, I'm gonna make a review for this product. First impression review. So, abangan nyo din. And, yeah. Yes. My Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation in the shade Soft Beige. Gagawan ko rin siya ng review. First impression review. This is my first product from Rimmel. So, itatandem ko silang dalawa kung okay naman talaga. And then, the next one is this. My Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Wow. In the shade Peach Natural. Yep. Gagawan ko din siya ng review para sa inyo guys. Yes, ang ganda ng packaging niya. Napaka-classy. Oh my god. This is for 30 ml. So, I'm gonna link down the prices below para may idea kayo and where I ordered this. So, meron siyang ganyan sa likod. And yeah. Wow. Okay. So, mag-order pala ako nito. Highlighting Pearl Paint by e.l.f. Is this really the shade? Okay. So, yung inisip ko kasi, gagamitin ko siya pang contour. So, I'll try this. Excited na din ako. Gagawin ko siya ng review. So guys, abangan nyo na lang ang videos. So yan guys, huwag nyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe. Tapos i-hit nyo yung notification bell para alam nyo na, you know what to do. Para makita nyo at abangan nyo din yung mga videos na gagawin ko sa mga makeup na i-order ko. Ayan. Excited lang ako guys. So, yes. Abangan nyo na lang. Seriously, abangan nyo na lang. So, mag-subscribe na kayo. Okay?